So I'm super excited today because I have Jessica from Google here to tell us a little bit about what's on the horizon when it comes to technology. Now, Jessica, I'm going to be 100 with you because I feel like we got it that way.
Mhm.
I am a Galaxy girl, but I really, every time I see the commercial for the Pixel on TV, I'm like, what am I doing? I think maybe it's time for a change. Why should I change? Because I'm feeling that's what I want to do.
Okay, I have to be honest. I think now truly is the time for the change.
Ooh.
Yesterday at Made by Google, which is a big event that we have each year, we announced some really incredible Pixel 9 phones. And the best part about them is that Gemini, which is Google's AI product, is built right into the phones. So there is so much that you can do just right when you're on the go.
Oh my gosh, you gave me goosebumps. Okay, I am one of those people. I am not afraid of AI. I am embracing it. I used it the other day because I want to put together a panel for a morning show boot camp that I go to. And I want a title that's just going to pop. I put everything into AI and it came up with like five great names. So good that I swear I don't even know which one to pick. It's so amazing how it's just there to help you just enough to make you better.
It really is. I always think about Gemini, which is your personal AI assistant, Google's AI product, as a creative collaborator. We have this new feature on Gemini called Gemini Live. And what it is you can converse back and forth with Gemini using your voice. And the speech technology is so impressive. So, for example, I was talking to my sister who's on the job hunt, and I told her, hey, you can use this. So she used it to prepare for a job interview. And she said, hey, Gemini, I'm thinking about applying to this job. Gemini asked right back, oh, what kind of job? What skill set are you interested in? And, back and forth, Gemini did a mock interview with her.
Oh
It's
my
so
God.
impressive. And to your point, it makes our lives so much easier.
That is incredible. So I was struggling. I lost both my parents in 2020 and
Oh, I'm so
yeah,
sorry.
thank you. Thank you. I know it was unexpected, both to cancer too. And it's so funny. I was struggling the other night and I had heard that you could put stuff into Gemini or in AI and it'll help you with like therapy because sometimes I go to therapy, but by the time I go see my man, I'm over whatever is bothering me at the
Right.
moment.
Right. You
Yeah.
want help just in time. So
Yes.
I will say Gemini is as someone who also goes to therapy and loves it. Gemini, as a disclaimer, is no replacement for
No.
help. But it really can be so helpful. And like I said, you can brainstorm back and forth and say, hey, I'm having a tough day. Do you have any ideas for something that I can do to brighten my mood? And Gemini will again ask you questions and say, well, what's the weather like out? Could you go for a walk? It's this back and forth that can just be so helpful in these moments that where we just need a little bit of support.
Right? I mean, it helped me. It helps you get over the hump of like the sadness and it's never going to be a replacement, but it was
Yeah,
there when I needed it and
yeah,
that's what was such a game changer for me
really,
personally.
yeah.
So, what else can we look forward to?
Yeah, so again, on these Pixel phones, there's some really wonderful features, especially for the camera. So the cameras are even more impressive than they were before. The brightness is better, the battery life is better. And then in addition to these phones, we have other pieces of hardware. So we've got the Pixel Buds, which are the earbuds, which again, you can use Gemini Live, that conversation mode, right when you're on the go. And then we have two brand new watch sizes that for the Pixel Watch 3.
I love it. Jessica, so much stuff to look forward to. I love having you guys on. Anytime you want to come on and tell me what's happening,
Oh, we're so happy to.
please do.
Thank you so much for having me.
Where could people go for more information?
Yeah, so just google.com/store is where you can find all of the products.